in summer and fall of last year, it was really, really low. But
so
now
it's always feast or famine. It's up or it's down.
Absolutely. It's up or it's down. But again, we are dealing with the potential at some showers and thunderstorms as we head into tomorrow. But yeah, temperature-wise, 50s and 60s. It's going to be another comfortable night across East Texas. So we will certainly count our blessings there. But as early as tomorrow morning, we could start to see some showers and thunderstorms in our area. But again, we see seesawing temperatures in East Texas in the month of April, and the last 5 days have been below normal. That's what the greens indicate. The reds are above normal temperatures. So again, we have seen streaks of very warm air and then streaks of very cold air, and that's part of the reason why April is one of the more unsettling months for us as far as weather goes. Not a lot going on, but we will have to watch out for a couple of these elevated storms in central Texas just to see what they do over the next couple of hours. But the worst of the weather right now is in the panhandle of Texas. Look at that. Right around Abilene and Sweetwater, several severe thunderstorm warnings. The flashing are significant severe thunderstorm warnings with large hail there. Got a tornado warning to the east of Lubbock and then severe thunderstorm warnings to the north and south of Abilene. So pretty nasty storms ongoing there. Part of the reason is they are close to those dynamics from that area of low pressure. Now, our storms are going to be front driven, one by the warm front and then tomorrow night's threat by the cold front. That's why we do have an enhanced risk of severe weather for our central and western counties. We do see enhanced risk quite often. It's already happened several times this year, so nothing out of the ordinary. We just review those safety plans in case a warning is issued. I think we're going to be okay through this event. But here comes round one of storms. This is very early in the morning. Storms along into the north of I-20. They'll move through the area by about 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow. More development on the way by the middle part of the afternoon. That's 5 o'clock. You can see those showers and thunderstorms ramping up. By 9 o'clock, we're seeing some storms moving in from the west. They begin to form a line, and when that happens, that should begin to limit the tornado threat, but it will increase the damaging wind threat, especially from Gilmer, Tyler to Palestine by 11 o'clock in the evening. We see a pretty nice line of showers and thunderstorms moving through deep East Texas by 2 o'clock. Rain in Henderson, Nacogdoches, and Crockett. 2 o'clock Thursday morning, and then this moves out into Louisiana by 5 o'clock Thursday, but we could still see some ongoing showers here and there through at least Thursday morning. So here is the storm timeline. This is tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, 9 to 2 o'clock for our northwestern counties, and it's midnight to 5 in deep East Texas. But once again, by the middle part of the afternoon, that's when we have the highest instability with the warmer temperatures, and that will increase the threat of some stronger storms. So we'll have to watch for those isolated severe thunderstorms in the middle part of the morning. But the main threat will be the threat of damaging winds, 30% area there. That's why we do have the enhanced threat of severe weather. The hail probability, it's higher out to the west, but the tornado threat is there for our northwestern counties. But again, still relatively low, about a 5% chance that we see a tornado within 25 to 50 miles of a location there. Next 7 days, here we go. Severe weather alert day tomorrow. That means you need to be weather aware just in case a warning is issued for your location. We'll hit 76 tomorrow afternoon. A little windy as well. Southeast wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. 72 Thursday, 79 Friday. A couple of showers around Saturday. Deep East Texas, Lufkin, Nacogdoches, Crockett included in this 7-day forecast. We are looking at a severe weather alert day tomorrow, upper 70s, 75 Thursday, 82 by Friday. Neil?
Sports Tonight.